Hello painting peeps and welcome. It's Kathleen from Creations. Welcome to the No Bra Zone number 3 here in Asheville. I'm excited. I got my Piggy in the mail the other day and I used it to do a color wash over an existing painting that turned out really beautiful. Let me show it to you. Everyone's calling it lips. So I'm going to turn it this way instead so it doesn't look so much like lips. But once it dried, it needed a little bit of pop. So I took my burnt Sierra and I dispersed it with Josanya gloss varnish, and then I added some GAC 800 to it till it was nice and thin, and then I just brushed it over areas and it added such a glorious pop of just beautiful burnt Sierra. But I hope you can see it. I haven't varnished this yet, but it's a coming. So let me put this back and I want to show you something else. This painting has dried beautiful and I can't wait to put my isolation coat down on it and my couple of coats of varnish. But what I thought was really cool, can you see that texture right there? When the painting was still wet, I took some coarse Himalayan salt and I just sprinkled it down there, and then I walked away from it for a couple of days, and when I came back to it, it was dry, and I just kind of rubbed off what was left of the salt, and it left a beautiful texture down in through there. So I can't wait to get this varnished and hung on a wall. Let me put it back. So what are we doing today? We're working on a reused canvas, and people ask me, what do I do and how do I prep my reused canvas? Well, this one, as soon as the painting was done, I knew I didn't like it, so I used my paint scraper, which is a mess right here, and I just scrape all my paint into a paper plate, and then I strain it and I use it as my slop bucket paint. Which we're using right here. This looks like black, but it's not. It's got some TLP burnt Sierra in it, and it's got a really nice shimmer, which you probably can't see, but that is going to be our base coat color. I haven't swiped in a while, so I came on down here to do a little bit of swiping. Base coat color is slop bucket paint, which is mixed with my pouring medium, 50% Floetrol, 50% Liquitex pouring medium, the one with the black and gray label, and a healthy squeeze of GAC 800. All these other paints are mixed the same, with the exception of the star of the show, one of the new TLP's burnt burnt Sierra. I keep wanting to say Sienna. And it's not burnt Sierra like the Sierra Mountains. That's in this cup right here. What I did was I put a big old scoop of that precious color in the bottom of the cup, gave it a healthy squirt of Josanya gloss varnish, which is right here. Stirred that up real good to make a nice paste, and then proceeded to add my pouring medium to it and all these other paints, 50% Floetrol, 50% Liquitex pouring medium, and a healthy squirt of GAC 800. But I want to show you this loveliness. I wish I had better lights for you guys, because this is a slice of heaven. I'm excited about that. And our other cup right here is Golden Fluids in the Turquoise. And our last cup right here, I'll take a look at that. Nice little shimmer of light right there. That is a mix of DecoArt metallics in the 24 karat gold and Golden Fluids in the Iridescent gold fine. I add this to this because she's bossy. This tones her down a little bit and makes a beautiful shade. What else? Yeah, I'm going to be swiping. I got my damp paper towels right here. People ask me about that all the time. I lay out about 5 or 6 paper towels on top of each other. I squeeze a squirt bottle of water along the bottom edge on one side, turn it over, squeeze the water on the other side, and then I cut my paper towels to whatever size that I want to use. So I think that's it. I don't know what size canvas this is. It's an 18 by 20, or yeah, about an 18 by 20, but I'm excited, guys. I'm excited to be here. I'm always excited about being here. I'm excited that you're here with me. Let's put some music on, guys. Let's get in the zone.
All that I've been dreaming about, it is all too close. I got it all, but I'm paralyzed. I don't know which way to go. But I keep walking right into your arms, and if I'm falling with you. I'm standing with you, got it all in my hands, but I don't know how to breathe. I'm walking outside, taking in all the air, but I don't know how to breathe. I'm fading away under the lights, but I figured it out. This is all 'cause of you. 'Cause you take my breath away. All the voices inside my head used to be my only friend, but they go silent